8 ways to beat the afternoon slump. Does this sound familiar? You're going full steam ahead in the morning. You're cruising through your first part of the day, feeling good and efficient as tasks are flying off your to-do list. Then you take a break for lunch, or maybe you decide to just grab something quick at your desk. You get back to work and then suddenly right around 2 p.m., it hits you like a brick wall. You start to lose focus, your attention starts wandering, and all you really want to do is take a nap. We all know that feeling of the afternoon slump. Fatigue, low energy and difficulty concentrating. If you're sleep deprived, it could be that you're just not getting enough quality sleep at night, or it could be your body's own natural sleep-wake internal system, the circadian rhythm, looking for a way to relax. But don't just blame it on your body's internal clock making you sleepy. It could also be your own eating habits leading to a massive energy crash. Fortunately, there are many tips we can give you to help avoid afternoon fatigue. Always keep in mind, however, that in addition to these tips, it's important to talk to your doctor as it may be something more serious. Welcome to our channel. You're on a journey to optimal health and wellness, and we're right here with you. Now let's get started. Consider the following 8 tips to help beat the afternoon slump. Number 1. Start with a nutritious and quality breakfast. Eating a nutritious breakfast can help you to start your day off right. Your body needs an energy and nutrient boost in the morning, and so a healthy breakfast helps kickstart your metabolism while helping you burn calories throughout the day. It also gives you the energy needed to get things done and helps you keep focus at work. Unfortunately, many people feel like they are too busy to eat breakfast every morning and ultimately more likely to eat a large lunch to compensate for the missed meal. This can cause you to become more tired in the afternoon from eating a large meal. So instead of skipping breakfast or just grabbing a quick coffee and donut, grab fruits, healthy grains, and lean proteins instead. For example, you could eat a bowl of oatmeal with fresh berries and a side of turkey sausage. Or try a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with granola and a banana as another healthy choice that is easy to grab as you head out the door. Number 2. Drink water frequently and stay hydrated. Water is an essential component of the human body, and by not drinking enough water can interfere with effective bodily function. A lack of proper hydration can make you feel sluggish and irritable. To help the feeling of sluggishness, drink plenty of fluids throughout the day and avoid or limit drinks such as coffee, black tea and alcohol, which can dehydrate the body. Drinking the recommended 8 glasses of water a day is a helpful goal, but that number can vary from one person to the next. You may need to drink more water depending on your activity levels or depending on the temperature outside. Carrying a reusable water bottle with you will help you have access to proper hydration throughout the day. Proper hydration also plays a critical role in how well you sleep at night and how we feel throughout the day. Try drinking warm water before bed, which will keep you hydrated through the night. Keeping properly hydrated can help the body break down and rid itself of unwanted toxins, keeping you feeling energized throughout the day. Number 3. Get moving and pump up your heart. Exercise is one of the simplest things you can do to feel more alert, as exercise naturally boosts blood flow to the brain and throughout your body. If you sense a wave of drowsiness, make it a point to get up from your desk and move around regularly, because sitting too much can also cause fatigue. Even a short stroll around the office or down the hallway to see a colleague can give you a much-needed jolt of energy. Try taking a brief walk outside to get your heart rate up and exposes you to sunlight, which can help you feel more alert. Try climbing several flights of stairs, which will get your body warmed up, which will fight the body temperature drop that may be causing your drowsiness. If your schedule allows it, a good option is to head to the gym during your lunch break. This gives you an energy boost to counteract an afternoon slump. Number 4. Take a siesta. A siesta is a short nap historically common throughout Southern Europe and the Mediterranean. So why not try a 20 to 30 minute nap over lunch? Napping offers various benefits, one being it can be a great little energy boost during the day. Anything longer, however, could backfire and have negative effects such as feeling groggy and disoriented after waking up from a nap. You can also end up feeling even more tired when you wake up than you did before you fell asleep. Long or frequent naps may also interfere with nighttime sleep. If you experience insomnia or poor sleep quality at night, napping might worsen these problems. If your body is crying out for sleep in the middle of the day, a short nap could be beneficial. Avoid it becoming a regular habit, however. It's a much better idea to get all your sleep in one go at night than spreading it out between multiple naps. Are you enjoying the video? Then make sure to click the like button below, subscribe and share it with your friends. Number 5. Snack up and go light on the carbs. If you're feeling tired, try giving your body some energy with a healthy snack. Avoid simple carbohydrates, sugary and refined foods such as chips, candy bars, and cookies, which enter your system quickly and can cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. With this initial boost of energy, you'll soon quickly experience a sugar crash that can make you feel even more fatigued than before. Instead, try to pick something that's less processed, such as whole grains that are absorbed more slowly, and balance this out with lean proteins and some healthy fats. Complex carbohydrates will help you with a sustained release of energy, while lean proteins can help improve alertness. Some good options are almond butter with a banana, or a hard-boiled egg with hummus and some carrots. This may provide the fuel you need for the afternoon. Number 6. Avoid the caffeine temptation in the afternoon. The classic remedy for the afternoon slump is to grab another cup of coffee. If you're tempted to grab an espresso to pull yourself out of a mid-afternoon slump, you may want to think again. Why? Because caffeine later in the afternoon can actually cause you to have difficulty getting to sleep at night. While caffeine can help wake you up, did you know that caffeine can stay in your system for many hours after consumption? This can significantly affect your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep, as it is very stimulating to our nervous system. The average time caffeine stays in our system is 8 to 10 hours, and so depending on your personal tolerance for caffeine, consuming coffee or other caffeinated drinks after 2 p.m. can sabotage your sleep quality. Remember to pay attention to how much you drink, when you drink it, and how your body responds. Number 7. Improve your sleep at night. There are many reasons for lack of sleep, including poor sleep hygiene, an unbalanced diet, and even an underlying medical condition. Tossing and turning at night can cause a decrease in sleep quality and quality of life. To help improve your sleep at night in the first place, your best bet is to follow good sleep hygiene habits. Most people need about 8 hours of sleep per night, and everyone can benefit from creating a consistent sleep schedule where you go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Going to bed at the same time every night, even on weekends, holidays, and other days off, helps to establish your internal sleep-wake clock and reduces the amount of tossing and turning required to fall asleep. About an hour before hitting the sheets, shut off your devices and do things you find soothing, such as reading, meditating, or listening to music. Make sure your bedroom is dark and on the cool side, 68 to 72 degrees if possible, so you can sleep deeply and feel rested the next day. If you're worried that an underlying medical condition is causing you to toss and turn all night, schedule a visit with your doctor for more help. Number 8. Listen to upbeat music. Music can boost your mood and give you the opportunity to take a mini escape. If you're feeling sleepy in the afternoon at work, having to do your job in silence can compound your feelings of tiredness. To wake up your brain, try turning on music or putting in some earbuds and listen to upbeat music. Get lost in the beat, then come back to your work refreshed and ready to tackle the next task. Of course, make sure to check with your employer first for permission. Causes of afternoon fatigue. The circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm is your body's natural system which regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Many studies show that wakefulness tends to dip between 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. when our body temperature naturally starts to drop, just as it does at nighttime. Not getting enough high-quality sleep. Most say that adults need an average of 7 or 8 hours of sleep per night for optimal health. Not getting enough sleep is one of the more obvious causes of afternoon fatigue. Poor sleep habits or having inconsistent sleep patterns are also contributing factors. Your body does many things while you sleep, including release hormones that regulate your metabolism and energy levels. Importantly, sleep should be restful and uninterrupted in order to allow your brain to go through all 5 stages of each sleep cycle. After a night of high-quality sleep, you typically wake up feeling refreshed, alert and energized. In addition to getting enough sleep, maintaining a regular sleep routine also seems to help prevent tiredness. Snacking on the wrong foods. When you're not getting quality sleep, you often reach for sugary snacks during the day. When you eat things that are sugary or high in refined carbs, your body breaks them down into sugar, which can be used for fuel. However, eating too many refined carbs causes your blood sugar to spike. That cup of coffee or sugary breakfast provides a temporary boost in the morning, but it wears off by the afternoon, and you begin to feel the afternoon slump. In the moment it can make you feel hyper, but unfortunately, all that sugar and carbs will lead to an inevitable crash that can leave you feeling tired throughout the day. By following the tips in this video, it can help you avoid afternoon fatigue. Staying alert in those afternoon hours will boost your productivity and improve alertness at your workplace. Remember to subscribe so you never miss any videos. And also click any of the links below to download free reports, or links to solutions and to our website.